Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to build a website for a watch repair service business. Simple and easy using Mighty Sites. It's a system for building websites for local businesses. It's only $9 a month. You can't beat the price, and it's really easy to build a website for a small business. So today let me just search. I'll start by searching for the watch repair business template. So here it is. I just typed in watch, and you can just search this for any local business website template. As soon as I find it, I'm just going to type in here Keegan's Watch Repair Business. And then I'm going to put my location. So for me, that's Denver, Colorado. Type of business, it's a service business repairing watches. And then I'm going to click continue. And the great thing about Mighty Sites is just like that. It's with just entering your business information, it's going to simply and easily generate a simple professional website for your business. So you can see now as I scroll through here, there's pictures, there's text already written. The website is basically like almost fully completed for me. And now I just need to make some simple edits to have this ready to go for my business. So let me show you how to do that. First thing you can do, if you like the color that it comes with out of the gate, awesome. If not, you just click on this little paint can here, and there are tons of different color palettes that you can see as I just click through that are pre-built, and you can just click through pages of different color themes and select the one that you really like for your business, that you feel like fits, makes sense, represents the business look and feel that you're going for. And so you can just simply click through all these different color themes until you settle on one that you really like. And once you do that, you just save it, and you'll have a color palette and color theme that makes sense for your business and your look. Next thing you may want to do is add some links for contact information. So for instance, you might want to add your email address. So I'm just going to add my email address here. I'm going to select to have that show on the website. I'm going to put in my phone number too. So let's add my phone number as well. And then if you have like a physical address, so maybe you visit people to fix their watches, or maybe you have a location, you can put that in too. So let's just say that you have a physical address. I'll just make up something here. So I'll just put in an address there, save. Now my address for my business shows up here at the top too. And if somebody clicks on that, it'll actually open up in Google Maps too, which makes it really convenient. You can also add your social media links. So let's just say you have like an Instagram for your watch repair service. You can just copy and paste in the link to that, and I'll just click save. Now my social media link is there. If you want to add like your Facebook page too, let's say you have that, you can enter in my Facebook page as well. Click save. There we go. Now some of my social media links are there and set for my site. Next thing you may want to do in this update section, let's just say you want to add a new navigation item. You can just let's just put navigation here for the example and select where I want it to link. It can link to another website, to my website somewhere. So I'll just put like the about section. Give me an action item like a call or directions, or you can upload a PDF. For right now, I'm just going to have that link to the about section of my website. Now I click add to menu, click save. And there we go. Now my new navigation item is there on my site. I can also go to update logo, and I can add my business logo for my watch repair business. So I'm just going to go to my computer and let me just search for a logo. And let me see. I'll scroll down until I find a logo for my business. Here we go. So I'll just use the Mighty Sites logo for now. So I'll update that, click save, and now the logo is there. Now I can just click on these buttons to make it bigger or make it smaller, and click on this little pencil here, and it opens up all these picture and logo editing tools that are built right into the system. So I think I'm just going to crop it, the top and the bottom, just give it a little less space, white space on the top and bottom. That's going to reload, click save, and there we go. Now we've got that. Now we've got my logo there as well. So you can see just with a few simple edits, this website's almost ready for me to launch as is. Now, there's a few more things I'm going to show you, but just to show you, you can really almost instantly launch a website for your watch repair business using Mighty Sites because the template just comes so preloaded with everything that you need. So I'm going to go down here and let's click on update this section. Let's just say that I want it to just say something different, and this is just to show you watch repair services. And then maybe quality watch repair, we want to say located in Denver, Colorado, right? So I can easily edit that text. And then when I go to the button request here, request an estimate, or it's maybe I want this to be visit today, right? So I can type in anything I want into the call to action button, and then I can choose where it links. So let's just say if it was visit today, I'd probably want to either link to the location section of my website, or I'd want to just click right on the directions here. And when they click on that, it actually does the same thing. It opens up directions. Again, opens up Google Maps for them to come visit me too, right? So, and you can have that be call today or request an appointment, all types of different things. Now you could even use the lead form to just say, request info, or maybe just say contact us, right? And then you can go here, link to your website, and link to the lead form section. So I'll just confirm that and save. And again, all of this is only $9 a month. So it's a really great platform at a really great price. So if I click on that, it brings the customer right here to this lead form to get in touch with your business. Maybe they have a question about how much your services cost, or if you can repair their type of watch. Another great thing, if you want to update photos, so you just simply click here and you click on update image, and you can browse your computer for a new picture to replace this section, or you can just search this photo library. So there's this photo library with all these images preloaded for you to use. So you can see watch repair service. I could just search here watch and just see what happens. So you can see all these different watches, right? So maybe I want this image. We'll just pick a different one and see. So maybe I want that to be the image when people first come to my site. I can just do that, click save, and now that's the image as the background, right? And that's all these images are just preloaded for you to use when you're building your site for your watch repair business. And that goes for every section. So if I wanted to go to like this section, same thing. I could go and I want to replace this image. I could browse for a new picture here, or I could search this photo library again and just pick any watch picture or service picture, or upload my own pictures, whichever is easiest. So I'm going to go here to this section. Editing text is really easy. It's just a point and click. So just say, this is how you make a website for a watch repair business. Right? Type in what I want it to say. Then I can make it italic or in bold, whatever works best. Go over here to contact us. Maybe I want that, I know people visit me on their phone a lot. I just want that to be a call. So I just save it. And now when they click on that, it clicks to call, right? Knowing they're on mobile. But pretty much like that, the website's pretty well done. You can see I've got a simple professional website. If somebody visits this and they're interested or they have a question, they can just simply enter their information right here on the site, and then enter their phone number, and then maybe just say, maybe they want to say here like, do you repair Seiko watches too? Maybe they just have a question like that, right? So I'm just going to click send. It's going to submit the form. I'll show you if I stop editing here, this is what the site looks like once I get rid of those update section buttons. Those are only visible to you as you're editing the site. Now if I go to the site dashboard, you will have gotten an email that you have a new lead, and then you can go in here and look in your dashboard anytime and see anybody who's contacted you and what their questions are for you as well. You can connect your domain once you're ready. So you go in, you just paste your domain, and then there's some instructions for what you need to do to update your domain from your registrar. So if you have GoDaddy or Google domains, things like that, you just need to make some changes in their dashboard too, and then it'll connect your domain to your new site. And then if I go here, let's just say you do have a physical location, you have hours, maybe you're closed on Sundays, but you're open Mondays from like 10 until 10 a.m. Oh, not 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. Let's just say 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. on Monday. So you can just go through and you can just easily just click through the hours, and this is how you change it too. You just go through and click through the hours that you're open each day of the week, and then that'll display on your website too. So I'm just randomly, selecting some different ones, but I'll just save my hours. Then if I go back to my website, I can see here, that my hours will display as well. So really nice and easy for the template to get started and just showcase, your business and your services and all of that. You can go back to activate edit mode at any time, and then if you can edit any section that you want to, you can stop editing at any time and go back to your site dashboard. But that's it. Yeah. So it's really simple and easy to get started. It's only $9 a month, and you can launch this in just a few minutes to be marketing your watch repair service business and attracting customers and growing your business. Wishing you the best of luck.